Shit. Okay. What's up, everybody? Alright, we're gonna be playing more Crossout. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be fun. I really don't know what to build today. Like, shit. I did build this weird thing. Yeah. Alright, I think we're gonna delete it. Remove all parts. Alright, let's see. No. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, we got that. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I think that'll work. Wait, that's 1,000 power score on that. What about these? Same. Okay, well. How about that? Okay. Wait, what's the power score on these fucking things? 750? Damn. What if I do this? Alright, it's good to go. Okay, let's box it in. Okay. This is literally gonna be like a box. This is gonna be stupid. Alright. Alright, it's ready to go. Okay. That was probably the fastest build I've ever done. Okay, we got a cooler underneath. It doesn't reload fast enough. Hang on. Let's see how it does with a shiver on it. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay. Let's see if it hits 1,000. Oh, it might get close. Oh, it did. Okay. Shit, that ain't bad at all. Alright, let's go battle this damn thing. Wait, what's my power score? Oof. Almost 3,000 for something this small. Damn. Okay. I really don't know what to build today. Or, yeah. Thinking about it, just playing the game for fun. I mean, I did that the other day. And then I wound up building that weird caterpillar looking thing. That thing was okay. It was a little big. It was a little big, a little long. Oh shit. Kind of cold. I don't see my jacket. I normally leave it on the side of the couch right there. But it's not there. Okay. Alright, let's see how good this little build does. It's probably gonna be terrible. Oh. If I know how to drive. Oh shit, I see everybody. I'm scared. Ugh, if I could steer. Damn it. Alright. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. Boom. Okay, I actually got 2 kills. Damn, this thing actually did really good. Cool. Wait, let's see. Yeah, I got 2 kills, 1 assist. Fuck yeah. Alright, that's exciting. Okay. Oh, I hit cancel already. What the heck? Oh well, I guess I'm doing another battle. Oh shit. Oh. Damn, that was weird. Just felt my whole lower spine shift. God dang, that felt fucking weird. Okay. Got one. Oh, look at that. That one looks like a little semi. I bet I can make a little semi. Dude, 2 kills already? Like, this thing's doing good. 3 kills? What? See if we can steal that last one. No. Damn, I was close though. Okay, this little thing is doing fantastic. 3 kills, 1 assist. Like, Gosh, where was this build the other days? No. Okay, we're gonna remove all parts. Okay. Maybe I should test out some of my other builds again. Let's see here. What we got? You know, I didn't really like this flying one. I want to let me delete it. Let's me delete that one. Okay, it needed to revert. That's probably why. Yep. Okay, we deleted that one. We don't need it. Oh yeah, I had this new tank. This one actually did pretty awesome. Oh shit, I just had an idea. Kinda. Okay, let's see here. Do I have a semi looking? Okay, I got the trucker. We could do that. Building on the outside. Okay. All right. Yeah, we can make a semi. Ooh, I wonder what wheels I should use for it. These big ones? Looks good to me. Alright. Make some kind of 6x6. Alright, going underneath. Let's see here. Okay, put that there. Damn, this thing only has 28 points of energy. That's kind of shit. Alright. I think it looks alright. It looks alright. Yeah. Okay. Yep, today's random build. Impact bumper. Let's do one of those. I like those ones a little bit because they go one back and then come out. And they don't look too crazy. Alright. What if I just make like a little flatbed? That would be pretty simple. Okay, let's see here. And then we could just use, I guess this piece right here. Wait, how many of those do I have? I have 4. Oh, and I can't tuck them all the way down either. Damn. Is that... be far enough down. Shoot. Okay, we're gonna have to move this back just a little bit. You know what? We'll just. Okay, I was gonna stack them, but that's too many. Alright. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, and then we can actually scoot this back a bit now. There we go. Looks like some kind of old truck. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Yep, I guess we're gonna make some kind of weird flatbed. Wonder where I should put the guns. So this build isn't gonna be anything crazy. Oh my gosh, I could do these on it. It's gonna suck though, because if I shoot somebody, I gotta shoot them from the side. Damn. I got another idea. Delete that. What am I doing? Okay, yeah, I have another idea. Alright. I think I am going to use those cannons on there. I think that'll be pretty cool. Wait, am I going to do that? How wide is this? Shit, I really wanted it to tuck down inside like this. Yeah, I want it flat like that. Okay. Okay, that'll work. And then I can just use these smaller pieces right here. And good to go. Oh man, I'm actually really hungry right now. Shoot. Alright. Flatbed truck is coming along pretty good. Okay. Should I put those fenders on there? Holy cow, I don't know. Let's see what else we got. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Damn, I can't mount that. I was hoping I'd be able to mount that over both the back tires, but they're just a little too big. That's alright. You know, I don't even need those front fenders. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? We have these. No, that's stupid. What about this hot rod one? That would be hilarious. What about that? You know, that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I like that one. Oh shoot. Okay, let's see. We got one more of each, or oh yeah, I need to see how that gun fits now. Ugh, where'd it go? Oh, right there. Okay, we need to come up just a hair. Just a hair. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll do. Yeah, we'll do that piece and. I guess one of these. Alright, that should be good enough. Holy shit, the air conditioner just turned on. Well, turned on a few minutes ago. Alright, there we go. I wanted it like right above the cab of the truck. Okay, we need to scoot that back. There we go. Alright, can it even shoot? Oh, it shoots just fucking straight out ahead of it. Okay, so as long as the target's kind of far away, I'm good. If it's up close, I ain't hitting it. Or I should probably raise it up a little bit. Wait a minute, can I do both of these? Oh, shit. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do that. That's gonna be awesome. I think I want to do them towards the back of this. Okay, let's see. I guess that's good. Maybe. Do the Hulks on it. Wait, do those do more damage than these? No. Alright. Okay. I kind of like it, I think. So we're gonna. I need to raise it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna set it on some of these. Okay. And then. Should we just go ahead and do these up here? Maybe. How about that? Yeah, that might be okay. I don't know. Looks kind of stupid. Wait, where is it? Right there. You know what? I think that'll be fine. Okay. We're gonna use those pieces. Nah. Okay. Okay. Executioner cannon. There we go. Alright. Oh, dude. Okay. Looks pretty cool. And look at that, I got a little bit of movement. Alright. I wonder if I put that module thing on here, if it'll make these reload a little quicker. Yeah, we got about 600. Okay. You know what? We're gonna put that on there and put that on here and see if it does anything. Where is it? This one. Time of weapons by 20%. 20%. Stupid. Come on. There we go. Just trying to hook it to the chassis. Because I left this whole middle part just hollow. Okay. Maybe we should fill this in a bit. With an ammo crate. Okay, that'll be alright. Dude, maybe it'll get 3 hits. Oh my god, I did. I got it to about 900 that time. That's cool. Okay, so that reload thing does work. Shit, I wonder if they have one that does better than that. Recharge booster? Let's see. Shoot. Where is it? Okay, recharge booster. Here we go. 10%, 20, 25%. How much is that? 9,000 gold. Like, holy shit. Well, definitely not getting that. Okay, how much energy are we at right now? Oh, dude, acceleration's terrible too. Look at that. I might have to change these wheels. They just can't handle it. Yeah, alright, let's see what else. What other wheels we got? I actually do have these dually wheels. Wait, how many of those do I have? Okay, I don't have too many of those. Okay, I can't put the Bigfoot wheels on there. You know what? We're just gonna leave it how we had it. Yeah, I like it like this. Kind of just looks like an old military truck. Except it's got big ass cannons on it. Dude, this is gonna be fun. Let's see. I only have 410 durability on the cabin though, so whenever that gets destroyed, yeah. Which won't take too long. I should probably throw a big plow on the front and, well, no, I don't have enough weight limit left. Okay, we could swap this back piece out, this back chassis piece, for one of the lighter ones. Okay, that's a little better. I really do need to fill in this back part though, so that ammo box doesn't get blown up. I guess we'll use wood pieces since... Okay. Come on, get in there. You know you want to. There we go. Alright, what should I put on the back of this? Probably a different... Actually, I think I might have an idea. Oh my gosh. I'm so putting this on the front. Okay, we'll get rid of that bumper. Dude. Okay, cool. I don't know what to call this build. Just... I don't know. Old 6x6 military truck build. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was looking for like this thing. Oh wait, is it that one? Yeah, that one. There we go. Nice big beefy bumper. But what's our speed and acceleration at? Oh, it's shit. What other cabins do I have? I guess nothing that looks like a semi. It's just gonna have to be slow, I guess. Really slow. Unless I swap out that piece for some wood. Everybody loves wood. Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on. You can do it. Get in there. Okay. Hang on a minute. There we go. Yep. I have to do that. And that. Okay. Now I can probably get it. If I still can't get it, then I suck and I should stop playing this game. Okay, what's our weight at now? Okay, that brought it. Okay, swapping some pieces out for wood. It's not going to be the strongest build ever, but it's going to work. Dude, those guns are so cool. Okay, I only have a top speed of 48. That is fucking horrible. Oh, wow, it's so slow. Okay. Well, it is what it is. Yep. Really don't know why it's so slow either. I do have that one engine on it. Okay, we're gonna swap out some other chassis pieces real quick. Let's see. 1x8. I actually have a couple of those. That's good. Okay, that chain. Ooh, that got me to 49 on the kilometers an hour. Ooh, I have a new RC car coming in today. I'm fucking excited. It's like the hobby grade ones. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I mean, some of you probably will, but I don't know. It looked awesome. It was really cheap, and I hopefully get to test the shit out of it sometime today. So, alright, I think this build's done. I just need to paint it. What color? Dude, I've been on this color kick for a little bit. Or wait, I should probably do it some kind of camo. Not that one. I put one of these back here? That don't look too bad. Shoot, I like it. Kinda wish I had another one. There we go. Let's see. Paint that black. What about the fenders? No. Alright, we'll paint the wheels black. And what about the guns? Ooh, maybe. Yeah, I think I like those black. Okay. Alright, whatever. This build's done. It's ready to go. Alright, let's go get it destroyed. Oh, wait, what was my power score? 7,000 on this piece of shit? Holy crap. Okay. Well, let's go get destroyed. Shoot, this will probably be the... I don't know, this might be the only battle I do on this one. I mean, we are already... Damn, I'm already 36 minutes in the video. Shoot. What time is it? 4:40 a.m. Alright. I gotta get ready and start cooking food soon. Well, in a couple hours I'm gonna start cooking food. It was my dad's birthday a couple days ago, and I told him I would cook him breakfast on Sunday. So I'm gonna cook him a big ass breakfast. He's gonna come over to my house and it's gonna be good. Okay, let's see if this thing does any good. I think it looks kind of cool. Just looks like a normal 6x6 military vehicle almost, except it has big ass cannons on the back. Yeah, I like it. It's not fast though. So damn slow. It's like, don't worry guys, I'll be there after you kill everybody. Okay, I'm running into an issue. I missed. Damn it. Yeah, okay, I might need to move the guns a little bit. Kind of sucks when I'm at an angle like this because I can't point the guns down at all. Oh no! Oh, I blew up. Dang. Okay. That thing is really slow. And yeah, whenever I was at a certain angle, I couldn't aim the guns down at all. It's almost like they need to be up a little bit higher. Or I need to just put them on top of the roof. That would work, but I don't like that. Yeah? What if I scoot them over one? That might... It might work, might not. Let's go try it again. Alright, this will be my last This is probably my last battle. Yeah, I'm already 40 minutes in. I've been trying not to do too long of a video. I was hoping to just keep it at about 30 minutes, but this game's too fun. Especially whenever you're building stuff. Okay. Dude, that face on there, that kind of looks like a demon. You can see its eyes, nose, there's a mouth, there's the horns. Alright, I guess I'll just try to stay far away and shoot, maybe. But other than that, yeah, the cabin's kind of in the way. Dude, this thing can aim up and down pretty well. If this don't work, I have another idea. You know what? We'll just stay back here. Boom. Okay, this is working from far, far away. Cool. Dang it. I was hoping to get that kill right there, but I didn't. That's alright. Okay, where's... Oh, there's one other person over this way. Oh, it's on its back. Better be careful. Oh, I actually got a kill. Hell yeah. That is totally a good way to end the video. Okay, you know, I might play with this some more, like, tomorrow or something. Let's see, did I get any assists? Oh, I got 3 assists, 1 kill. Look at that. Basically came in 2nd place. Okay, it didn't do too bad. I still need to buy this pack, because I'm getting closer to that leg right there. Yeah, see that leg right there? That one. Can't wait to get another set of those. Dude, okay, well, this is the build. Just, I guess just some kind of military truck, that's it. Super easy. It didn't do too bad. Alright, shit, I'll see you guys later. That was fun.